You ripped open that email and bam, Robins Air Force Base, Georgia. Report date locked. Movers on the way, adrenaline pumping, and then the stomach drop hits. How do you line up your VA loan so the moving truck shows up the same day you pick up the keys? No nights in a hotel, no BAH circling the drain. I'm Mischa Thompson, your favorite Bonaire Robins Realtor, and today I'm breaking down the step-by-step PCS timing plan that works. By the end, you'll know how to navigate VA loan timelines, budget for lodging, and avoid the mistakes that cost families thousands every PCS season. Mark day minus 90. Everybody waits to hunt houses until the movers are already booked. Flip the order. The second you sign out of your old unit, count back 90 days and circle it in red. That's pre-approval day. Here's why. In Georgia, VA loans on average close between 30 to 45 days. And if you're overseas, expect up to 55 days. Houston County lenders get buried May through August. So being ahead of the rush is your best advantage. Before that first lender call, grab your last two LESs, 2 years of W-2s, and your PCS orders. Then ask for a fully underwritten pre-approval, not just a credit pull. Sellers around Bonaire Robins see dozens of VA buyers. If you come with a rock-solid pre-approval, you have a chance to beat out cash offers and investors. House hunt from your couch. You can't hop on a flight? No problem. Work with an agent that does virtual tours and does actually show you all the nicks and knacks of each house, not just walking through. Start a Google Drive with your agent. One folder for listings, one folder for disclosures, for inspections and video walkthroughs. Every morning I'm FaceTiming clients from all over the world in a driveway of a house they wanted to see and walk through the homes in real time. When you find the one, write the offer with a longer inspection period. That gives you more time to actually come down here, look at the property, and get all the inspections done that are needed. Pro move, red eye into Atlanta, crash on base, and knock out inspections and all kind of walkthroughs that you need to do in a single day. If the house passes, you can move on and get rid of the due diligence period. Work backwards from your report date. Sticky note time for you. Write your report date, then rewind. Movers need around 7 to 10 days transit. Utilities need around 2 days to switch over, and that is on average. But here in Middle Georgia, we usually have the sellers keep the utilities on, and we just do a transfer right after closing with your closing documents at the city hall. VA loans average 45 days in the US, but if you stay proactive with docs and your lender uses e-signatures as well as your real estate agent and appraisal is ordered in time and done in time, you can easily close in 30 days. To be honest, most VA loans that I work with close in 30 days with no problem whatsoever. And if there is a little bit of an issue and we have to push back, Georgia has an 8-day unilateral extension period where you as buyer or the seller could say, hey, we need to extend for 8 days, and we don't actually need the approval for that extension from the buyer or the seller. Lodging and budget cushion, very important. Even the best plans need a backup. Off-base hotels near Robins Air Force Base average around $120 a night. On-base Pine Oaks Lodge runs around $75 to $95, but books fast during PCS season. Budget for at least 10 to 14 nights, around $1,200 on base, around $1,800 off base. Military hack, extended stay hotels in Bonaire and Kathleen drop to $90 a night with weekly rates. And if you've got pets, the La Quinta Inn here in Bonaire Robins waives pet fees for military. Book refundable rates early and always have 2 properties on hold. Movers, utilities, and walkthroughs. The instant you are under contract, email the transportation office your closing date +3. That syncs. Pick up so the truck arrives right after you sign. Next, let your agent get you the contact information for water, trash, power, and internet. Internet, you can actually sync up with your closing date. For water, trash, and power here in Middle Georgia, you need the closing documents to actually go to the city hall and transfer it over. So you can't do that prior. Schedule your walkthrough with your real estate agent. And my tip is to do that 2 to 3 days prior to closing. So if there are any issues that are discovered, that you can give the seller enough time to fix them and then do a final walkthrough at the day of closing to make sure everything was taken care of. Quick pause here. If you are staring at your phone, TDY and your orders are stressing you out, hit the link below. A free 15-minute Zoom call will plug your report data in our PCS calendar and email you a custom timeline. No spam, no sales pitch, just a smooth move. When the plan goes sideways, let's say your appraisal comes in low. Well, what happens then? It's pretty simple. Either you renegotiate with the seller, and the seller is okay to give you the appraised value of the home, but they don't have to, because they don't have to sell the house under their imaginary value. So they could accept the lower value because they want to sell it, or they could say, no, we're not. Either you pay the difference, or we meet in the middle, or we're gonna walk away. And then you're already in a couple of weeks and your timeline is completely screwed at that point. But it's also a great tool because you know that you are not purchasing a home for more than it actually is worth. Orders shift last minute. Well, VA allows up to 60 days after closing to move in. Worst case, your commander can sign off on a 12-month delay letter. Keep $2,000 in your PCS stash for curveballs like appraisal, reinspection, or overnight POAs. Think of it as Murphy's Law insurance. Here are some local hacks for you. Close mid-month and you'll save on prepaid interest about $350 on a $300,000 loan. Pine Oaks, the lodging on base, fills up by June. So book on day one of your orders. And make sure you got a backup plan within the Warner Robins area. Want to walk into a fresh house? Well, negotiate that into the contract. With your agent, negotiate that the seller is agreeing to a professional move-out clean before you move in. So you're not scrubbing toilets with a jet lag or no energy whatsoever because you just went through hell and back with your PCS move. Here's some quick hits. Start 90 days out. Get fully underwritten. House hunt remotely. Reverse engineer your timeline. Budget for lodging. Sync the movers and stash cash for surprises. Do this and you are walking straight from the truck into your living room. No hotels, no double rent, no PCS panic. Drop your biggest PCS timing question in the comments. I'll share a custom hack just for you. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more PCS survival guides. I'm Mischa Thompson, your favorite Middle Georgia Realtor, and I'll see you in the next one.